must have heard of the reverse waterfall or the anti-gravity waterfall in Maharashtra. What's up everyone, this is Ketki and today I'm going for a trek to Naneghat Reverse Waterfall. So Naneghat from Mumbai is around 170 kilometers and Pune se kuch to 125 kilometers approximately, and I'm going with a trekking group of 50 people. So there's a bus which picks up like at different halt points, Borivali, Andheri, Sayan, Kalyan, jo bhi hai, whatever the regular bus points are. So I joined from Andheri and today I'll be taking you all with me on this trek. So let's get into the video. Yeah, so after having breakfast at a restaurant, trek organizers ने arrange किया था some local breakfast. उसके बाद the bus dropped us to the starting point of Naneghat trek. So I'll just show you the view of how far we have come. ऐसा starting point से कुछ तो 5 to 7 minutes आगे हम लोग. This is what it is so far. So I asked him, is the trek leader. He told me it's like the total trek timing is 6 hours to and fro, 2.5 hours climbing, then half an hour to reach the waterfall, and then again 2.5 3 hours to come down. So yeah, it's a 6 hours trek. Okay, so guys, we are like more than 1 hour into the trek now, and I forgot to tell you all that the difficulty level is moderate, or if you have not trekked for a very long time, मेरे जैसा मैं 2 years किया नहीं, and then directly I'm coming here. So you can see the view actually. Yeah, so if you're someone who hasn't trekked for a very long time, moderate से थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो सकता है. But yeah, it's better to have like all your essentials like water, ORS, whatever you need. Okay, so there was a patch where ऐसा पानी था पूरा, तो उसमें से शूज़ डिप कर दिया तो पानी अंदर चला गया. It's kind of annoying to walk that way. So like after 1.5 hour हम लोग एक halt point ले लिया. पहले भी लिया था, but it was for a shorter period of time. अभी थोड़ा सा plateau type area है. So it's back there. Stalls है बहुत, where you can get refreshments, मैगी है, पानी का bottles है, जो भी है. तो वो आपके लिए एक halt point है अच्छा. तो थोड़ा टाइम बैठ सकते हो, chill कर सकते हो. The view was really nice. And yeah, and we are on again. It's not good to take a very long halt if you are taking one. So you have to keep moving. So we started a trek at 7:15. अभी 9:30 हो रहा है, and we still have like this much to cover. So definitely 2 hours नहीं है trek. It's more than that, maybe 2.5 to 2 hours 45 minutes कुछ तो होगा. तो yeah, इतना बाकी है. Also ये बोलना था, थोड़ा सा बारिश कम है. So I thought it would be like very heavy rainfall since it's the mid of the July. बट पहले भी ऐसा ड्रिजल था, अभी भी ड्रिजल ही हो रहा है. इट्स एक्चुअली लेस देन ड्रिजल. तो आई रियली विश ऊपर जाके रेनफॉल हो, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी आर हियर फॉर, राइट. Finally this shows that we are getting closer to the waterfall. I heard someone say 10 minutes hai, hopefully 10 minutes, and we are here. So नीचे से देख के लगा था कि this is the trench, इधर ही आना है final point, but no, ये पूरा trench था जो हम लोग चढ़ के आए, and आगे it's leading to some pathway. आई थिंक आगे और वाटरफॉल के लिए थोड़ा और चलना पड़ेगा. लाइक राइट लेग पे थोड़ा सा क्रैम्प आ गया है, बट आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक वी शुड बी एबल टू मेक इट. Okay, so this is the final spot where we have come. I'll show you around. तो जाना था उसके वो साइड, बिकॉज वाटरफॉल अनफॉर्चुनेटली हुआ ही नहीं, द थिंग विच आई वॉज सो वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट। मेरे को वो देखना था बट बारिश ही नहीं हुआ, लाइक ऐसा ट्रिजल हो रहा था पूरा टाइम। हैवी रेनफॉल या नॉर्मल मॉडरेट रेनफॉल भी होता तो भी वी वुड हैव बीन एबल टू सी द वाटरफॉल। अभी ऐसा फॉगी है, पूरा मिस्टी था इधर, तो वी कुड सी द रिवर फॉग एक्चुअली। Not exactly what I came here for, but it's still fine because something better than nothing as always. तो भाई अभी हम लोग इधर रुके, we like took pictures, we took a halt after the tiring trek। जो भी ऐसा लग रहा था क्रैम्प आया पेट में, अभी नहीं फील हो रहा है। But yeah, there's the descent again of 2.5-3 hours. Let's see. अभी halt लिया है, we'll have Maggie, sit for some time, then we'll go have lunch now. Okay, so अभी 12:05 हो गया है and we are starting to descend the trek. End point हो गया इधर आके। I'll shoot once again when we are at the base. We'll just having lunch. अभी तो descent में तो कुछ shoot नहीं करना है because it's the same, and I think they say that descending is way more difficult than it is climbing the trek. So yeah, see you guys down. ओके सो डिसेंड बहुत लेंदी था और मेरे को बहुत टीडियस लगा। आई थिंक इट वॉज बिकॉज वी वर वेरी टायर्ड। वी स्टार्टेड एट 12:05 लाइक आई सेड, और नीचे आते वक्त 3:30 हो ही गया हम लोग को। और नीचे आते वक्त दो बार बारिश हो रहा है, 2-3 बार हुआ एक्चुअली। अच्छा था बहुत। इट इंक्रीज द डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ कमिंग डाउन, बट ओवरऑल इट वॉज अ रियली नाइस एक्सपीरियंस, अ रियली नाइस वीकेंड, and you should definitely try it. Maybe you'll get a chance to see the waterfall. That's all for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any feedback for me for my first vlog or anything that I missed out. I'll make sure to incorporate that in the further vlogs or in the further videos. See you all in the next one.